Right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. The Peugeot 207 that had the clutch slipping is now complete and it's ready to go up for sale. So I'm going to give you guys a walk around of the car. It's just starting to rain. I'm not gonna let that stop me. Let's go. So this is a quick walk around of the car. It's been raining on the way here. I didn't get to polish the paintwork with my machine polisher, but I polished it with some other hand polisher. So the paintwork doesn't look too bad. It's got the pan roof on it. Quick walk around of the car. And if you guys all remember how dirty the interior was on this Peugeot, I've scrubbed the seats as I wasn't able to use my wet vacuum because of the location of my flat. I'm not able to my wire didn't go long enough to go from my flat. So I've cleaned the floors, the seats. I've also cleaned the door cards, rear seats and the floors and put some mats in there. As I don't have, well, I have a hoover but I couldn't use it. I wasn't able to hoover this properly. This side has also been done. Ignore that, I just bought a phone mount. And the driver's side, which was very dirty, has also been done. Obviously the seats aren't as clean as I'd like to get them, but I couldn't use my wet vacuum because I didn't have anywhere to plug it in. Yeah, there was also mold in the cup holder. Cleaned all of that out. It was quite very dirty in here. So everything's cleaned. Car's good to go. Just about to open the bonnet quickly. So here's the engine bay. I've given it a little wipe down. It's not as much as I'll clean it. Just the fact of I don't have access to all the things I used to. At my unit I had everything next to me, but everything's in my flat, so I'm just working with what I got. Cleaned good enough, I guess. Let's give the car a start. Starts up first time. It's got a half a tank of petrol in there. The engine sounds good. And also some news, on the weekend I have some premises that I'm going to view, so if that happens you probably see that in the next video and I'll update you guys on what happens. So yeah, as it's so annoying doing it from home now because where I live isn't really convenient to buy and sell cars from, because my flat is so far away from where the car's parked, so I can't, it's not like I can jet wash it there or anything. I can't do anything. So I gotta go to flipping car washes, pay to use the hoover and jet wash it there, which I'm spending money. But yeah, so I'm trying to get some premises. Alright, so guys, we're gonna get into the video now. Clutch bite is good. Need to put on my seat belt. Alright, so guys, I'm doing a quick POV drive of the Peugeot 207 that's just had the clutch fitted. I'm just driving to the location to give you guys a little walk around of the car. So right now I'm literally just stuck in traffic. But yeah, someone's coming to see the car today at 6 o'clock. They said 6ish, so around 6 o'clock. That's going to be the first viewing. The car was done about 3 days. Yeah, the clutch has been done on the car about 3 days ago. I've had quite a lot of interest, but someone's coming to view the car today. They was going to come yesterday, but they said things have come up. So yeah, but yeah, everything on the car works. Got parking sensors. Am I going to fit through here? Yes, I am. No knocks or bangs over bumps. It's a pretty solid car, to be honest, and it's got really good service history. It's only had 4 owners, which to some people that would be a lot, but for a 2007 car, that's not too bad. And the story of this car is I got this car from BCA auction. I bought the car and they said that it passed the clutch slip test. I got there and the clutch is slipping on the car. I went inside to see what they could do, and obviously the best that they could do is offer me free delivery. So that was the best that they could do. So I got the car for so cheap I could still make money on it, so I just ordered the clutch as soon as I got back home, and then my mechanic done it 3 days ago, and the car was listed up for sale about 2 days ago. I've had lots of interest in the car, decent profit left in it. The car drives absolutely great. Nice, so all these lights are green, perfect. I'm about to drive to a spot where I can give you guys a walk around of the car. I've driven the car around for a few days, which is good. So I know that this is a good car that they're getting. Yeah, I think whoever comes to see this later will be pretty happy with the car. So yeah, there's not really much more content to film on this car. So let's hope it sells today. Fingers crossed. It's got 84,000 miles on the clock. Everything works. The radio don't sound the best. The heater works. All the lights work. It's got 10 months MOT on it as well. So yeah, the car's pretty good to go. All I had to do was a clutch, clean the interior as it was very dirty. I didn't get to wet vac it because I don't have access to a plug outside my house, like so I wasn't able to wet vac it. So I just sort of just scrubbed the seats really and gave them a good clean, put some new carpets in it as the floor was very dirty. In traffic again, but it's not too bad at this time. I'm going to almost be at the spot. Drives lovely. Car drives absolutely wonderful, and I love the pan roof on it as well. It lets so much light in on the interior. I'm probably going to give the glass a bit of a clean to just make sure that it just all seems nice and clean for the new owner. Traffic again. But yeah guys, I'm not going to really say much until I arrive to the spot. brakes are good as well. Guys, it started raining. Oh, for God's sake. I just want to do just, oh my God, if you guys saw, there was just an accident there on the right of me. I don't know if you guys seen that. Flipping out. Oh, this rain, man, I absolutely hate this rain all the time. Like, the UK weather is so depressing. Just gonna park the car up. And I stalled it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe and tune in for the next video. I'm still looking for some more cars to buy, guys, so whenever I buy another one, you see the next video, and I'll update you guys if this car sells today, as somebody wants to see the car.